course the cable. Again, the red, okay, plug it in, and then your black, the negative, which is right here. Here's the unit. I charge it at work. So you press this. Green means it's correct. Hello guys, good morning, welcome to my channel. Today's video I have this car battery booster. Actually, if you have a dead battery in your car, this is the perfect booster to have in your car. So I'm just gonna unbox this and we'll see what's inside. I'm gonna test it tonight. It's for $50, and actually in the store they're pricing it for $100 plus. So I got it for $45 per stock, so it's $50. But what you got here, okay, so you got, here's the box. Look at this. Very nice hard plastic casing. Very small. So you can carry this around with you. And I believe this can also charge your phone, your laptop, tablets, anything like that. So it's basically is all the accessories that comes with it, the device. Okay, so it's got the red for positive, black for the negative. So this puts your turn on your batteries, and just somehow probably plug on the main unit. It's got the charger adapter. And it's got, so you can actually use this cable to charge your phone. Oh, actually here. So this is the one that goes to your car. I have no idea. So we've got and here, so here it's got the manual. That's what it's called. Jump starter. This is what it looks like. Okay. This has a compass right here, and it can be used as a flashlight using this charging adapter. So plug this in the wall and plug this, so it charges in the wall. I haven't read the instructions, so I don't know how many hours to charge this. And all right, on the side that plugs like that, and this again, the black is negative, the red is positive, and this goes to the battery of your car. Okay, so I actually accidentally pressed the power. 82% battery charge, so not bad. So I'm gonna test this when I get home, and I'm gonna try to boost the car. Hello guys, again I'm here on the car that I want to get boosted. So I'm gonna wear the mask because it is smelly here. So anyways, this is booster device unit. So I'm gonna boost this car. I'm gonna check if the battery is dead, and we're gonna try this. And this is what I bought today for $50. So first we're gonna check if the car is totally dead. This is my van. You can see. All right, guys. So there's a little bit of light there, but it's not enough power to turn the engine over. See, there is nothing. It does not start. A little bit of charge on a battery because the light comes on, but really nothing there. All right, so we're gonna try to boost it. We're gonna use that. Okay, open the hood. All right, this is my van. All right, we're gonna pop up the hood. All right, there I go. All right, guys, so there's my battery. So again, the battery is dead. So we're gonna boost it, hoping the alternator here will charge the battery and help it charge it up. So we're gonna boost it by using this new. There's a unit. I charge it at work for a little bit, but it's got about 80% battery charge. And now I need a jumper cable. So this is what I got. The only thing I need is this, the booster, and the jumper. So we're gonna attach this right here. So you're gonna plug this jumper cable, and they only go one way. So you see how we align that? Push it in. Push it in. Got a power there. Battery is at 86% charge. All right. So we're gonna try it. Okay, so we're gonna try this. This one really works. Okay. All right, guys. So again, this is the booster. This is the cable. Booster cable. Again, the red goes to the positive, which is this. It's the positive right here. I have a cover here. It's red, so I know this is the red terminal, which is the positive terminal right here. Okay, plugged it in, and then your black cable goes to the negative, which is right here. There's a power switch right here, so that's off and on. So I got to push on. I believe this on. Now just gonna leave it. I think just light off. All right, so we're gonna try it. This really works. Okay, here's my key. If you remember earlier that this did not turn over, so let's try. Oh, nope. So it must be off. Oh, I don't think it's on. So something probably not connected properly. Try. Make sure it's connected. It's connected because it's green. Maybe I have to press. Oh. Alright, guys. So that button here is for flashlight. Yeah. Emergency light. Okay, so that's not the power. Alright, so the power switch is right here. You see right here. It's power switch. So I'm gonna push it in. And alright, guys, so I've got the red cable goes to that positive terminal of the battery, and the black cable goes to the negative terminal of the battery. And here is a tester. Make sure this device has to be off first. You gotta test whether you got them on the right polarities here. They're on the right spot. So you press this. Green means it's correct. Red means incorrect. This is on red if it's not the right connection. That is the right spot. Now, just gonna leave it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this thing on. Right, there's a power. All right, so I gotta unplug everything. So we're gonna try it now, guys, and I hope this one works. All right, let's put the key in, and hopefully it'll turn over. Oh yes, it's working. It is working, guys. I love it. Okay, so I gotta take this car to a shop. I gotta fix the two front shocks from a mechanic today, so I gotta get it loose because this van's been sitting here for about a month. I haven't been running this car, so the battery is totally dead. So again, this little device don't work, and I guess I'll have to unplug it. This works. This little booster, power booster, works if you ever have your batteries dead. This works. So if you ever need a booster device like this, buy them. Very small, tiny, comes in a little bag. All right, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.